So today the boys are gonna learn about things that float and sink. So as you can see, we have an orange, an unpeeled orange, a block of one of those beads, an egg, a block, a plastic block, a wooden block, a rock, a piece of wood, a rubber letter, and a number 2 magnet. So I'm gonna ask the boys today to tell me if it's gonna sink or float. So we're gonna start learning how to tell the difference between something that sinks and floats. Hopefully this will be fun. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna teach you is things that sink, look Chris, things that sink or things that float. Okay, watch. We're gonna do the first one, right? So this is a wood block. Wait, this is a wood block. Here, Leo, hold it. And this is a bead. Okay, which one do you think is gonna sink down to the bottom and which one do you think is gonna float? Do you think that's gonna sink or float?
Float.
Okay, Leo says float and you say sink. All right, go ahead. Put it in the water, put it in here. Let it go. Now do yours. It floats. See yours? They both float. See? Okay, let's do a different one. Ready? A rubber block. Wait. And a plastic egg. Which one do you guys think will it sink or float? Okay, will it sink or float? Will it sink or will it float?
Sink.
You say sink? Nope, it floats. What about you, Leo? Will it sink or float?
Float.
Good job, Leo. Okay, now we're gonna do another one. Ready? Wood. Here. And a rock. Okay, Chris, no, wait. Chris, do you think that's gonna float or sink? Nope, it float. Leo, it sunk. Look, it went to the bottom. See? The rock, it went to the bottom. Say it sink.
Sink.
Okay.
That's you.
Yes.
I see.
See? It went all the way down to the bottom of the rock. See it? Okay. Wait. We're gonna try something else different, okay? Okay. Now you have a plastic number 2 and you have a foam letter. Wait, Leo. Will it float or sink?
Sink.
Nope.
Yeah,
Yes.
my shit.
Yeah, it went
Down.
down. No.
Down.
Sit down now. Sit down. Now watch this. Which one's gonna sink? Will this? Wait, listen. Sit down. Listen. Will this sink? Is this gonna sink? Yes. Will this? I'm asking you a question. Is this gonna sink?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Leo, put it in there. Throw it.
Okay.
Nope.
No.
Okay. Chris, is this gonna sink or float?
Sink. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. You know why? Because there's air pockets in here.
Why?
And that one doesn't have the skin. So that's why it doesn't sink. The air makes it float. Look. See? Because they're the same thing. They're an orange. Look.
Oh.
But look. Look. It goes back up. You see it? It goes back up.
Me too.
Okay. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Look.
Yeah, it's the
Oh.
orange. It floats. Okay, now it's Leo's turn. Go ahead, Leo. Do it. Let it go. Yep, let it go. Throw it. Here. Let it go. Okay. All right.
My butt.
Go ahead. Have fun.